Hello friends, I would like to welcome you all to the 4th International Conference on Virtual Reality. This is an exciting time for the field of virtual reality as we are on the cusp of great advancements in technology that will allow us to create more realistic and immersive virtual worlds. We are so excited to have you all here with us today to explore the cutting edge of this exciting technology. Virtual reality has the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us, and we are thrilled to be at the forefront of its development. I believe that virtual reality has great potential to revolutionize many industries, and I'm honored to be able to share my passion for this technology with all of you. I hope that you will all find this conference to be a valuable learning experience, and I look forward to hearing about the amazing things that you all are doing in the field of virtual reality. Thank you so much. We have an incredible lineup of speakers and panels for these 2 days of international conference. So let's dive right in and learn everything we can about this fascinating topic. This technology has the power to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us, and we are thrilled to be at the forefront of its development. We hope that you will take the advantage of all the opportunities to learn and connect with others who are passionate about this technology. So I thank all our keynote speakers and presenters for being here, and we look forward to an enlightening and productive conference. In addition to that, we would like to thank our various supporters like Harani University, the Center for English Language Education at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi in India, then Mentis, which is owned by our good friend, keynote speaker, Dr. Vinod Dumlekarji. And then there are these 3 journals which are owned by Leucoline. Leucoline means the white line. And our good friend, Dr. Dursun, will share more about it when he speaks with all of us again. So let us see. Virtual reality and augmented reality are 2 technologies that are rapidly gaining popularity in the field of education. While virtual reality provides a completely immersive experience that can transport users to different environments, the augmented reality overlays digital information on the real world. Both technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we learn. Let us see where it is used. There are many fields where virtual reality and augmented reality can be adopted easily, including education and training, gaming, medicine and healthcare, engineering, architecture, product design, manufacturing, entertainment, retail and marketing, and many other areas where these potentials are immense. If we see from the research point of view, there is a growing body of research on the use of VR and AR in education. A recent meta-analysis found that virtual reality and augmented reality interventions resulted in significant improvement in academic achievement, with the largest effect sizes being found for mathematics and science learning. Another study found that virtual reality simulations were more effective than traditional computer-based simulations for teaching medical students about human anatomy. There are a number of challenges which need to be addressed before the virtual reality and augmented reality can be widely adopted in education. One challenge is the high cost of virtual reality hardware. Another challenge is the lack of quality VR and AR content for educational purposes. And finally, it is unclear how AR and VR will be integrated into educational existing curriculum and the instructional practices. Then there is some learning impact of these technologies, because there are many ways a teacher can use virtual reality for learning impact. For example, a teacher can create a virtual learning environment which mimics a real world location, such as a historical site or a science lab. And this can allow students to explore and learn in a safe and controlled environment. Additionally, virtual reality can be used to provide students with a hands-on learning experience. For example, a teacher can create a virtual reality simulation of a experiment or a procedure. This can allow students to practice and learn without the need for expensive and dangerous equipments. If we look about the types, then we can categorize them into basically 4 types. One is augmented reality, which is an enhanced version of reality where digital information is overlaid onto the real world. The second is virtual reality, which is a computer-generated simulation of a 3-dimensional environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment such as the head-mounted device or a helmet with a screen inside, or gloves fitted with sensors. Another type is mixed reality, which is a hybrid of augmented reality and virtual reality that combines real and virtual worlds to create new environments and visualizations where the physical and digital objects can coexist and interact. And then we have extended reality, which is an umbrella term that includes AR, VR, and MR, as well as any other immersive experiences that use computer-generated technology to enhance or extend our senses and cognitive abilities. On a global scale, if we see the status, the virtual reality is rapidly evolving. With the release of new and improved hardware, such as the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive, as well as the development of new software, such as Unity Engine, virtual reality is becoming more and more realistic. And this is resulting in an increasing number of people who are interested in virtual reality, both for gaming and for other purposes. As virtual reality becomes more realistic, it is also becoming more affordable. This is making it more accessible to a wide range of people. Additionally, the development of new applications for virtual reality, it is making it more versatile and useful. For example, virtual reality is now being used for training purposes in the military and healthcare. So the current global status of virtual reality is very exciting and full of potential. It is rapidly evolving and becoming more realistic. And this is making it more accessible to a wide range also. So, and opening many, many possibilities for its use. If you see the potential of virtual reality in education, it is vast. It has the ability to provide an immersive and realistic experience that can simulate real-world scenarios. This can be used to teach students about difficult concepts or provide a safe environment for them to experiment with the new ideas. Additionally, virtual reality can be used to create custom learning experiences for each individual student. This could include targeted content based on their learning styles or abilities. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize education and make learning more effective and engaging for all students. In terms of the impact of virtual reality and augmented reality on instructional delivery and student learning, it varies depending on the specific context and implementation. However, some of the potential impacts of virtual reality and augmented reality on instruction and learning includes like increased engagement and motivation, as virtual reality and augmented reality can provide more immersive and interactive learning experiences than traditional instructional methods. It can also improve understanding and retention of information because they can provide more realistic and lifelike representation of concepts than other instructional methods. Another advantage is that we have greater accessibility to instruction and learning experiences because augmented reality and virtual reality can be used to create virtual environments that can be accessed by anyone with a virtual reality headset or some sort of augmented reality device. So although there are various potentials of these technologies, however, there are some challenges that need to be addressed before it can become a mainstream educational tool. And one of the biggest challenge is the cost of virtual reality hardware. Head-mounted displays, like you see here in the graphic, they can be very expensive, and there are few affordable options available at the moment. This means that virtual reality is only accessible to a limited number of people. Another challenge is the lack of content. There are few educational virtual reality experiences available, and this is a chicken and egg problem. Developers are reluctant to create content until there is a critical mass of users, but users are reluctant to invest in hardware until there is enough content to justify the purchase. And finally, there are concerns about the potential of virtual reality to be used as a tool for cheating. If students are able to access virtual reality worlds during exam, they could easily look up for answers or copy other students' work. This could lead to a decline in the quality of education. Therefore, these challenges need to be addressed before virtual reality becomes a mainstreaming educational tool. Then another limitation is that it can cause discomfort or even nausea in some people. Augmented reality can be distracting and make it difficult to pay attention to what is happening in the real world. There are some challenging research questions if we are dealing with the field of augmented reality, virtual reality, or mixed reality. And we need to think about, like, what are some of the potential risks associated with using augmented reality, virtual reality, or mixed reality technology. So those of you who are participating in this conference from research point of view, you can think of what can be some of the potential benefits associated with using AR, VR, or MR technology. How might the augmented reality, virtual reality, or mixed reality technology be used in your field or profession? And then, very important, what are some of the ethical considerations associated with using these AR, VR, or mixed reality technologies? And then, as we talk of sustainable development goals, so what can be the social implications of using augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality technology? So, friends, thank you so much for attending our conference on virtual reality. This technology is rapidly changing and evolving, and it's so important for us to stay on the forefront. We appreciate your willingness to learn and grow with us. It has been great getting to meet so many of you and hearing about the work you are doing. We already look forward to the next year's conference. So we hope that next year we will be in a position, because the restrictions of COVID, they are, in a way, some people are behaving as in such a way that there was no COVID so far. You can see in the market, freely the people, they are moving around. So we hope that the next year we will be in a position to meet face to face in Haran University in Sanliurfa, a beautiful city in beautiful Turkey. In the meantime, keep in touch and let us know if there is anything we can do to support you. Thank you so much.